They didn't cancel some of my favorite shows like Friends and Seinfeld. They're still going strong, going strong. Oh, it's nice that somebody's running. Yes, it's good. Keep our bodies running as best as we can to reduce the chance of getting COVID, and if we do get COVID, at least got some good antibodies and strong immune system will keep us alive longer. Yeah. I wonder if at some point they'll come up with a cure for COVID, but there's no leadership on trying to find one, you know? Like for measles and all the other stuff, polio. There was leadership on that. Try to find a cure for that, but there's no leadership on trying to find a cure for the flu, for COVID. No.
Likey